everyone. Today we can do something different like tongue twister challenge. Now let's start with it. Okay, today we'll do 5 tongue twisters. And now let's start with a simple one, which is red lorry, yellow lorry. While saying it slow, it's very easy. While saying it fast, it's tough or funny while hearing it. Now let's see how I and my friends have done. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, oh no. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, red lorry. Lorry, why was saying red lorry, yellow lorry. Oh no, what am I saying? Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Oh no. Red lorry, yellow lorry. 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 Lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. It's funny. Okay, now we'll go to the next one, which is upper roll, lower roll. Now we'll see how we have done it. Oh no. Upper roll, lower roll. Upper roller, lower. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower. Lower, that is. Lower. Upper lower. Upper lower. Roller. Lower roller. Roller. Upper roller. Upper roller. Upper lower. Upper roller, lower roll. That's what for me also. Upper roller, roll. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, roll. Why did you say and? Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper lower, lower. Upper lower, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roll, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller. I can't even stop laughing. It's so funny. Finally, these are the ones which we have done it good. Pot. A proper copper coffee 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 pot. A cat sat on the rat. The big fat 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 cat sat on the rat. Yeah, done. I hope you enjoyed the video and you can try it out. Like my video, subscribe my video and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.